Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Amirul Ashraf bin Sarifuddin. I'm from class JBA 252 and today I am very happy to share my self-reflection presentation for the course UBM 599 Digital Workforce. In this presentation, I will discuss two very important chapters that completely change how I look at my future career. This chapter 5, which focuses on digital workers career management, and chapter 6, which cover marketing for digital workers. I hope you enjoy listening to my reflection. Alright, before we dive deep into the specific point, let me explain why I choose this topic for my video reflection. Today, the world of work is changing faster than ever before. In the past, people only look for standard full-time office jobs, but now, because of technology, the gig economy and freelancing are growing rapidly. I choose this topic because I realize that having just technical skill like coding or graphic design is not enough anymore. You can be the smartest student, but if you do not know how to manage your career or market your services, you will not survive online. I wanted to learn how to transition from student into a professional digital freelancer. I wanted to understand how to find the right work, how to talk confidently with a global client, and how to build a strong personal brand. This chapter gives me the exact guide I need for my future success, and this is why I am so passionate about sharing this today. Let us start with chapter 5, Digital Worker Career Management. The very first step to building a successful digital career is identifying your niche. Many freelancers fail because they try to do everything for everyone. This chapter taught me we must find our digital neck. The digital neck is a special sweet spot where three critical circles meet. The first circle is skill. These are your underlying strengths, your unique talent, and your technical abilities. The second circle is passion. This is all about what you like to do, your personality, and your personal choices. If you work on something you hate, you will burn out quickly. This third circle is demand. This is based on data about what the market actually needs and what projects are available. When you find where your skill and passion meet a real market demand, you will find your perfect digital career path. This stops you from blindly guessing what to do next. Alright, once you know your niche, the next challenge is actually winning the work. To explain this chapter uses a beautiful framework called the conversion funnel. It has three simple steps that every digital worker must master: the bid, the interview, and the hire. First is the bid. This is when you look at crowdsourcing platform and apply for jobs. The lesson here is to read the job description very carefully and meticulously. We must write standard skill specific proposal and suggest realistic timeline. Never copy and paste your proposal. Second is interview. If the client like your bid, they will talk to you. Before the interview, you must do your homework and research the client. You must also master cross-medium communication, whether it is via text, email, or face-to-face video call. Always ask clear questions to show your care. Third is the hire. This is the final step where the client appoint you. and your bid officially become an active project. Even after you win a job, your career management does not stop. You must close the deal safely using a negotiation matrix. This involves three stages: pre-negotiation, active discussion, and closing. In pre-negotiation, you must change your mindset. Leave your ego behind. Do not take things personally. Treat it strictly as a business transaction and know your market value. During active discussion, you must practice deep listening to try to understand the client problem, state your price clearly, and leave some buffer room for compromises. In the closing stage, if the client treats you unfairly or refuses to give a fair price, you must have the professional courage to walk away. Finally, you must defend your scope. This was a big lesson for me. To protect your mental health and time, you must set a clear boundaries. Tell the client your weekly working hour upfront. Always communicate honestly about the roadblocks and never start working until the client has officially awarded the project or signed the contract. Okay, now let us move to chapter 6, which is all about marketing for digital workers. In this digital world, if people do not know you exist, they cannot hire you. The most important tool for marketing yourself is your online portfolio. The chapter introduced the 15-point portfolio blueprint, which is split into three main columns. The first column is the foundation. This includes your clear specialty, a professional biography, your educational detail, and choosing the right platform with a professional domain name. The second column is the proof. Clients do not just believe words, they want to see facts. You must include high quality example of your works, explain the context or the why behind the design, and show all reviews or testimonial from past client. The third column is the interface. This is about user experience. Make sure your contact information is highly visible. Use a clean and professional photo and add a strong call to action like a button say hire me now. Your portfolio must be updated regularly to stay relevant. Alright, beside a portfolio website, we must actively use social media for inbound marketing. The best platform for this is LinkedIn. The lesson here is that you must complete your profile 100% until you get the all-star status from the LinkedIn algorithm. All-star profile are 40 times more likely to get a real job opportunity from company. But do not just create a profile and sit down. You need strategic group engagement, join professional group in your industry, submit helpful article and answer question. Give value first before you pitch your service. Also, stop applying blindly to a random job ad. Instead, use the search bar to find and connect directly with the specific managers who have the authority to hire you. Post organic status updated about new things you learn to spark natural conversation. To conclude my reflection on both of this chapter, connect together to form what is called the credibility flywheel. This flywheel proves that every single project you complete successfully is not just a quick way to make money. It is a long-term marketing asset. When you maintain a professional presence, communicate transparently, and deliver outstanding work, you get excellent reviews. You can then use these reviews to update your portfolio, boost your personal brand, and comfortably adjust your hour rate upwards for the next job. This flywheel means every job do leads to better client, higher value, and a stronger career. This chapter have truly opened my eyes and teach me how to be a smart strategic digital worker. Thank you so much to everyone for listening.